Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how to import contacts from your SIM card. And to get started, you want to navigate into Settings. From there, scroll down to Contacts. It's right over here. And then you should see Import SIM Contacts. So tap on it. It will give you that it's importing SIM contacts and disappears, and that's basically done. So now if we go into our dialer, you can see that in the contacts we have now contacts. So that is how you would import your contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.